Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to mute someone's story on Instagram. Now, this is quite a simple and easy process. If you don't want to view their story or you don't want their story to be recommended on your home page, muting someone is the best way to do it. Your notifications will get switched off about this account or person that you have muted. So how do you do this for someone's story? It's quite simple. Let's say I want to mute this story right here. Just long press on it. If they have already posted something, this is how you do it. Long press on it, click on mute, click on mute stories, and that is done. Now, if you want to do other things with this, there is another method. Again, go ahead and select any account that you have. As you can see here, this is the account. I'll click on the drop down menu. Once you follow them, you will get the options. Again, you'll click on mute, and this is where you'll find other options. Again, just for stories, you can check this option. If you want to mute other things, you have those options here as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can mute someone's story on Instagram. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.